Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabets. Arabic alphabets, Huruful Arabiya. So far we have done 3 lessons in which we discussed 3 groups. In lesson number 1, it was group number 1 in which we learn about Alif and Hamza. In lesson number 2, it was group number 2 in which was next 3 letters Ba, Ta and Sa. And in group number 3, it was the next 3 letter which was Jim, Ha and Ho. Today we are learning group number 4 in which there are 2 letters. Why we are learning in groups? Because Arabic alphabets are quite similar to each other and learning in groups is quite easy. The group number 4 contains 2 letters, Dal and Zal. Dal and Zal. How to write? It's simple. Half circle. Again, draw it. It's just like a half circle. The basic shape is the same, but the presence of one dot over the second letter make it different from the first one. It is Dal and it is Zal. The equivalent of Dal in English is letter D. And of Zal, you can say it's a combination of 2 letters. DH, the sound. The sound are letters. The phonics of Dal is just like a D, just like a D in dip. And the phonics of Zal, it's a soft phonic and it's a combination of 2 letters, DH, just like a Z sound. The phonics of Dal is the and Zal is the. Zal is one of the soft letter of Arabic alphabets. Including Zal, there are 3 letters which in Arabic are very soft. I will discuss it about them in later classes. Right now, let's learn the articulation point. The articulation point of Dal is the tip of the tongue. When tip of the tongue touch the upper 2 incisor, but with the gum line. When the tip of the tongue touch the upper 2 incisors, upper, with the gum line, Dal is pronounced Dal. And for Zal, it's again the tip of the tongue. But this time, the tip of the tongue touch the lower part of upper 2 incisors. So, Zal is also pronounced from the tip of the tongue, but the tip of the tongue touch the lower side of the upper 2 incisors. Zal. And Zal is one of the soft letters. If we do not pronounce the letters from the exact articulation point, we may exchange or interchange the letters, or we may pronounce a new letters. If you want to learn Arabic in bite-sized lessons so you learn it thoroughly, don't forget to subscribe my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor and also visit my site. Assalamu alaikum.